Welcome back. Congress has charged PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar of illegalities in the PWD and manipulation of tenders. Congress state spokesperson said Sudhin Dhavlikar pressurizes PWD engineers. Congress has demanded CM Parrikar sack Sudhin from the cabinet. They said that retaining wall of Kashimat Bandoda ground is a scam. Spokesperson Durgadas said the ground's retaining wall does not have requisite permissions. Congress will file a complaint with the collector.
Department of Village Panchayat of Bandoda कडे NOC ना. Department of कमदा इजाकडल्यान NOC ना. इंजिनियराचेर शेवटी ते पॉलिटिकल बगर जातात. तांचेर प्रेशर हाडपाक केला की आपल्याक ग्राउंड कसोय करून कंप्लीट करून दी. तांका DCPतल्यान परमिशन ना हिल कटिंगाक. We are going to file a complaint with regard to this with the collector. गेल्या 2 वर्सांची टेंडर आयले. हाजो अभ्यास करपाचो आमी चालू केला कालच्यान. कारण हे जेन्ना प्रकरण आमच्या उक्तारा आयले आमकां 100% खात्री आसा की दुसऱ्या गांवांनी आनी दुसऱ्या कडेन खूब कडेन डुप्लिकेशन जाल्यात म्हूण टेंडरांचे.
Durgadas Kamath informed that in 2009 the said ground project at Bandoda was rejected by the locals. The then Congress government had immediately issued a stop work order. Now, after the BJP-led government came to power, the work at Kashimat ground has begun. Meanwhile, Panchayat members and locals have supported the Kashimat ground project. However, Govind Gowde is opposing re-tendering of retaining wall of the ground.
जे आमचे दृष्टिकोनाचे अशें दिसता की गांवच्या लोकांक हिताक लागून आसा हो ग्राउंड जावचो की बांदोड्यान असो ग्राउंड ना. त्या गांवच्या भुरग्यांक खेळपाक हो एक ग्राउंड मेळचो आनी तितून जर कितें इनलिगल जाता कोणे बेश्टे एलिगेशन करचें न्हू डायरेक्ट जावन कंप्लेन करात बाबा हितून इनलिगल कितें चलता म्हणून.
ग्रामसभेन ठराव बीन असो जाला काय कितें?
हय पयलीं ग्रामसभेन ठराव आसा. आतां ना पयलीं जो आसा जे काम बेगीन ग्राउंड करून आमकां हँड ओवर करचो म्हणून
ग्रामसभेन परत ठराव घेतलो तुमी काय कितें की चालू करचे अशें बीन
ना.
लोकांचो विरोध आहा काय कशें कितें?
लोकांचो कोणाचो विरोध ना.
सगळ्या चॅलेंज आसा कापस्ताद जर आसत न्ही जाल्यार ते दावो दिवन तेंच्यांनी उलय करना. हांव सांगता हे जे पंच सदस्य आज बांदोडे त्या पत्रकार परिशद जे उपस्थित आसात ते सगळे ह्या भ्रष्टाचारान तर भरभटलेले आसात आणि जर ना जाल्यार हेचे खातीर ओपन डिबेट पंच सदस्यांनी त्याच ग्राउंडाचेर येवचे ओपन डिबेट गोविंद गवळे तयार करून घेतलो हेच म्हणजे तांकां चॅलेंज आसा.
Bureau Report Prudent.
After the fire that burned 3 shops at Margao New Market on Tuesday, the ex-chairperson of Margao Municipal Council, Savio Coutinho, has blamed Margao Municipal Council for the failure to give top priority for the construction of water tank in Margao Municipal Market. He said the last council in 2010 had resolved to build the water tank, but for last 4 years, nothing has happened. He says safety of the market is completely dependent on Dambab's blessings.
Actually, way back in prior to 2008, you can say 8-9, that time when there were fire incidents in the market, that time it was noticed. In fact, that the fire hydrants, though they exist, but hardly you could see water in them, and it was suggested. And even if there was water, there was no pressure for that supply. And that was a time when it was mooted like to have a overhead tank. And several meetings were held to sort of identify places. We should allow them to set up the overhead tank. The overhead tank was supposed to be constructed by the PWD. And accordingly lots of process probably followed thereafter. But it is very difficult to understand why so many years it takes to set up a overhead tank from 2010 till now. Thereafter our council term got over. In October, new council was formed under the Chief Minister, then Chief Minister. Even then, we could not see any progress on this matter. Every time, though I was not a councillor, but I just for curiosity's sake, I used to ask what is the progress. So there we would come to know that it is standard. Somebody has quoted above the limit, so additional approval is required. Some board approval is required. But then all these matters, considering the priority of this, because today's day, if at all the market is relatively safe, I should say it is under the protection of Damba. And that is the reason till today we have not seen a very major fire mishap. The government should take up on top priority this erection of this overhead water tank.
Shri Shantadurga Shikshan Samiti is celebrating its golden jubilee year. On the occasion, the committee has planned a 2-day conference on education and community. The conference will be held at Kala Academy on 13th and 14th September. Padma Vibhushan and Gomant Vibhushan Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar will deliver the keynote address. Delegates for the conference will include people in education, school managements, institutional heads, teachers and the parents.
आमी फुडली पिढी बरी करतले, इम्प्रूव करतले जाल्यार आयच्या हायस्कूल आनी हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल ह्या शाळांनी कशें शिकोवपाचें हो ह्या कॉन्फरन्साचो सगळ्यांक म्हत्वाचो विशय.
शिक्षणाची उद्दिश्टाय कांय प्रमाणात हळूहळू बदललेली दिसतात आनी हाका लागून शिक्षणांत कितें जावचें, कितें आसचें आनी शिक्षणाची फुडली दिशा ती कशी आसची आनी हे दृश्टीन समाजाच्यान कितें करूं येता, समाज शिक्षणा कडेन कसो पळयता, ह्या सगळ्याचो विचार करपा खातीर आमी विचार केलो की शिक्षण आनी समाज ह्याच विशयाचेर एक शिक्षक परिशद घेवची.
इनॉग्रल सेशनान जंय डॉक्टर माशेलकर हांणी येवन कीनोट एड्रेस दिवपाचें एक्सेप्ट केलां. सो ह्या कॉन्फरन्साक आमकां बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. बोथ डॉक्टर माशेलकर एंड डॉक्टर काकोडकर have agreed to guide us in this.
Animal slaughter issue has resurfaced before the High Court. High Court has admitted a petition filed by Association of All Goa Muslim Jamaats seeking certain relief for performing Qurbani ritual during the Bakri Eid. High Court has also admitted intervention petition filed by the Goanch Raksha Abhiyan, who is opposing all the pleas made by the petitioner. High Court has given time to the petitioner to amend the petition and has fixed the hearing on 16 September.
NGO Govansh Raksha Abhiyan on Tuesday filed a petition before the High Court to intervene in the petition filed by the All Goa Muslim Jamaat seeking certain reliefs for performing Qurbani ritual during coming Bakri Eid. High Court has allowed Govansh Raksha Abhiyan to intervene. The High Court has given time to the petitioner to modify its petition. Time is also granted to Govansh Raksha Abhiyan to file its reply.
ऑल गोवा मुस्लिम एसोसिएशन हांच्यानी एप्लिकेशन केलां की आमकां ईदाक तेंच्यांनी बैल मारपाक परमिशन दिवचें अशें तांचें एप्लिकेशन आसलें. ताका अपोज करपाक वी फायल इंटरवेंशन बिफोर ऑनरेबल हाय कोर्ट.
Petitioner All Goa Muslim Jamaats in its petition has pleaded before the High Court to modify its previous order on not to slaughter bulls of less than 12 years. Citing unavailability of eligible bulls in the state, the petitioner has pleaded to allow slaughter of bulls of 7 years to perform Qurbani ritual during Bakri Eid.
They have asked for relaxation of the age limit of the bulls which will be slaughtered and asked the many different places where they can be allowed to give Qurbani, which we have objected. And already Honorable Court has passed order in last year that age limit a bull is 12 years and they have asked for 7 years and below 7 years. So that we are object.
High Court will hear other two matters related with slaughtering at Goa Meat Complex on next date of hearing. The matter will now be heard on 16 September. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.